another long video in this channel, and today we are gonna show you how to personalize this very useful item especially for women with long hair and men with long hair, although men, they don't usually personalize it, but anyway, it's a personal taste, which is the scrunchie. Okay, here it's just a band, an elastic band, though, but I'm gonna show you how to transform this plain dough band into a very nice and colorful scrunchie. So before I say anything else, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, set the notifications so we will always know when we have a new video, like this video, and after you watch it, comment down there and share it with everybody you know who loves crochet or who is going to do one of these for you. Okay, so first to start, what do we need? So we need an elastic band like this. Okay, this is something that you can find very cheap in gift shops or one of those like a Dollar Tree, Five Below, something like that. These stores that sell gadgets and products for everyday use. I bought like a pack with 100 of those for like $1, 5 reais here in Brazil. So you need one of these. You need yarn. Here I have one of my favorite yarn, which is Charme. It's a cotton yarn, and I chose this color because it's like very colorful. And this week here in Brazil, it's Carnival, so it's like my homage to Carnival, although I don't enjoy it that much. A 3mm crochet hook and scissors. It's the big scissors to finish off the project at the end. Okay, ready? Let's do it. So guys, here we are. The idea is for us to cover this band with the yarn, right? For that, I'm gonna start doing our traditional slip knot. Okay, get your band there. I'm getting mine here. So what are we going to do? We're going to insert the hook here. Okay, fish the yarn like this, close it off on a single crochet, and that's what you are going to do all around your band. Okay, important things to say here is you have to check that you cannot see, or you can see as little as possible of the band. Okay, so as you do your single crochets here, the idea is to cover the band completely. Okay, but you have to take into account that it's something elastic. So as you cover it, I'm sorry, my dog, there's some intruder in the building. As you cover it, you're gonna pull it slightly. Okay, don't pull it too much because otherwise defeats the purpose of the band, but you cannot leave it like this. Okay, so keep on doing it, cover your whole band, and when we reach here, we will meet to start the second row. So guys, finished covering the band, and as you can see, it's very tight together. You cannot see that we have a black elastic band underneath all this yarn. Okay, and you can also see that it's not it's a little more a little larger than it was originally, because as I told you, as you cover it, you're going to stretch it just a little bit, okay? Now for the second row, we're going to close off the first row here with a slip stitch, okay? And then what are we going to do? We are going to do 3 half double crochets for every single crochet on the first row, okay? Because the idea is to make it freely. That's the point here. We want something freely, a scrunchie that looks soft, okay? So I'm going to do my first fake half double crochet, which is 2 chains, yarn over, then I'm gonna come into the same hole, fish the yarn and do a half double crochet, yarn over again into the same stitch, half double crochet. And this is what you are going to do all along in this row, okay? 3 half double crochets for every single crochet in the first row. And then when we finish here, we will meet for our third and last row. So guys, finished the second row with half double crochets, and as you can see, our piece is very freely, right? Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to do our last row in double crochets. But how? So I'm gonna show you 2 possibilities, okay? Let's just close off this row with a slip stitch, okay? And now you have 2 possibilities. One is you're going to do your first double crochet, fake double crochet with 3 chains, and then you can do 1 double crochet for each half double crochet in the previous row, okay? This is one possibility. But another possibility is what we are going to do here. So let me undo this. I undid 2 stitches, because then we have 1, and on the next I'm going to do 2 double crochets, and so we will alternate 1, and then on the next 2. So I'm going to repeat that all around my scrunchie, and then when we are here, we will meet to finish off our project. So guys, finished my scrunchie, and as you can see, it's very, very freely and it's ready to use, you know. It's very beautiful, very good to keep your hair up, or to you know, to gift it to someone. You know, it's a great idea of a gift, and it's something that is very low cost for you to make, because as you can see, remember I showed you, I used like practically the yarn that was wrapped here and a little bit from the inside, and here's what I have, okay? So it's very economic. You can even get some money with that. So let me close it off. I had already cut my yarn, so let me do the slip stitch and 1 chain, and then I'm gonna wave it in to the piece, okay? Before we go, don't forget, if you haven't already, guys, subscribe to the channel, set the notification so you will always know when there's a new video. Like this video, comment down here what you think of this easy piece and share this video with everybody you know who loves crochet, who could use this idea to make some money, or who could do one of these for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you next video. Bye bye.